Why now is the time for real estate agents to put their content marketing on blast. I'm sure many of you have been watching or riding the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency roller coaster lately. Well, I have, and I believe it holds a really important communications lesson for many businesses, especially real estate. Bitcoin and other digital coins have been fluctuating wildly in value lately for many different reasons. Celebrity endorsements to government crackdowns and policies. And the human response has been equally wild. And for me, that's been really interesting to watch from a communications perspective because there's a big lesson to learn here. And that lesson is that there is a direct correlation between the reach and frequency, an advertising term I know, of Bitcoin or crypto posts and high valuations. So like the quote by President JFK, success has many fathers while failure is an orphan. And social media certainly works that way. It is, after all, trying to be human. I see it with Bitcoin. The higher the price, the more successful it is, the more I see those around me posting about it or sharing posts about it. There are more ads around investing and even more creativity around the coins being made and the causes they're connected to. It's what I call a moment of peak relevance. And a moment of peak relevance is exactly the reason why real estate agents should be jumping on this opportunity and making more content than ever before. Property prices are up. The market is hot. People are engaged, excited, and fascinated about property and record prices. You might think content marketing is a task for when the edge comes off the market, when things slow down. It's actually the opposite. Hey, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate anyone who watches all the way to the end of one of my videos. This is the part where I do the YouTube thing. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, please consider leaving it a like below so that it feeds the algorithm and spreads these kinds of videos to people who are like-minded like yourself and wanting to learn more in this space. If you want to learn more about this type of content, the other step you need to take is to subscribe with the notifications bell on so the next time I do upload a video, you get told about it and you don't miss out. Now, if you're interested in storytelling, personality-driven marketing, or even viral content, the next suggestion I have for you is to pick yourself up a copy of this book. It took me about 6 years of research to compact everything that I know into 220 pages. It's got exercises and free downloads and really is a great starting point for anyone wanting to set their voice and market themselves using video. It's available in the US, the UK, Australia, South Africa, Europe, and even New Zealand through all good bookstores. And of course, you can pick it up online via Amazon and Booktopia. It's called Like, Comment, Share, Buy. There's a link to the Amazon site down below. All I can say is it's a great read for anyone who's a beginner in this space, and I'm really proud of it. So if you want to help me out even, buy this book, give it as a gift, whatever you want to do. It's there. Anyway, that's all from me. Catch you on the next one. Peace.